Maligayang pagbabalik sa ating channel ngayon mga bossing. Sa video na ito ay pag-uusapan natin ang pambabastos na isang street baller na si The Professor sa ating pambansang kamao Manny Pacquiao. Ang video na ito ay may katagalan na, pero dahil gusto ko ipakita sa inyo, sa mga hindi pa nakapanood, ito ang video. Grayson Boucher o mas kilala sa bansag na The Professor, isang American actor na ipinanganak noong June 10, 1984. Nakilala ito dahil sa kanyang kisig at gilas sa pagdala ng bola sa larong basketball. Lumabas din siya sa ilang mga pelikula kabilang na ang Semi-Pro, Ball Don't Lie at Hustle, at siya ay isang pwedeng laruin na karakter sa ilang mga video game. May mga galawan dito sa street ball kung saan binabato niya ang bola sa mukha ng kanyang kalaban. At isa na nga dito ang ating pambansang kamao 8th Division World Champion na si Manny Pacquiao, ang kanyang binato ng bola. Pero ilang araw lang ang nakalipas ay nahingi ng sorry itong si The Professor dahil samot-saring mga tao ang bumatikos sa kanya online, lalong-lalo na ang mga Pilipino. Pinapaliwanag niya mga boss na normal lang daw umano ang ginawa niya kay Pacquiao, lalo na kung street ball ang pinag-uusapan. Hindi naman daw naggalit si Pacquiao at tumawa pa nga daw ito. Alam na daw ni Pacquiao na ganun talaga ang kalakaran sa street ball.
Well, what's funny is I think after the game, like a couple days after, Balls Life posted the YouTube video of when I threw the ball off Pacquiao's face. When I first looked at it, I was like, oh, the game looked straight. It was cool. You know, a lot of people played. A lot of people showed up to the event. You know, the whole nine was cool. But then when I read the comments, I realized that, you know, there was a couple thousand comments that were like really offended that I threw the ball off Pacquiao's head. And the more I read them, I realized it was people from the Philippines who didn't know anything about street ball, and they thought that it was like really disrespectful. So what's funny is what they don't know is in street ball we do that all the time, and it's not really looked at as like disrespect. It's something to get the crowd excited. It's kind of like a trick. And what they also don't know is Pacquiao was actually a street ball fan. Like he was laughing and showing love, you know, after that play and after the game, and he wasn't offended at all. But I guess it got taken like that. And to be honest, at the time I didn't even know who Pacquiao was. You know, I know mainstream fighters. I know everybody in the world knows who he is now, and I did shortly after that. But at the time, I don't think he was as mainstream as he is now. Like you would have to watch boxing to kind of know how popular he was. So to anybody I offended, I'm sorry. Pacquiao, you know I love you. Yeah, man, it's all love.
Katulad nga nung may nakalaro itong Chinese basketball player na talaga namang naasar sa ginawa niya. Kayo ba mga bossing? Anong magiging reaksyon nyo kung sakaling kayo ang nasa katayuan ni Pacquiao sa mga oras na yon? Comment down lang mga bossing at pag-uusapan natin yan.